using Kuretake paints again today, yellow brown, billiard green and a pale pink. Using a round brush, size 12. All I'm going to do is wet my brush, get some paint on and just roll the brush around the page. Not really thinking about what I'm doing, just layering on the paint. Need a little bit more water there just to get paint to move around a bit. Washing my brush out, getting the green, adding that colour in. Literally just dabbing it on, rolling it about a bit. Then the pink, again, wash out your brush. For you going from dark to light, make sure that you wash your brush out really well, otherwise the colour will transfer into your other pan. As you can see, I've already got some colour transfer from a previous painting. Just adding the colour in. Colours will mix on the page, that's fine. Okay, I'm going to let that dry now. I have this child sponge, and as you can see, it's sort of cut out like a flower. So I'm going to use some acrylic paint, dab the sponge in and just dab it onto my page just to see what happens. Okay, if you can see, there's a bit of sparkle in that paint. I'm going to let that dry now. So it's dried now. I'm just going to outline with a black fine liner pen. Some silver ink to the center of the flower.